Hi, everybody. I just want to brag on my marine science students. Just before the school closures due to the coronavirus epidemic, my students took apart the large green pump that you see in the video. It had run successfully for years, but then suddenly quit. They took it apart, diagnosed the problem, which were two broken diaphragms. I ordered the diaphragms for $12. And since the closure happened and the kids had to go home and couldn't be here to put it back together, all I did was put it back together. The video shows that their diagnosis was accurate. The pump works perfectly. Stay tuned for the big finish. Good job, guys and gal.